So cuboidal epithelium, as we said that the simple epithelium have been divided into 4 types on the basis of their the shape of cells. So cuboidal, so here the cuboidal epithelium cells are cube in shape, cube shaped, and length and width. So length and width is same width and length. So it is called cuboidal. So many mitochondria are present over here. Many mitochondria, the cytoplasm. So therefore more energy is released. More energy is producing from this cuboidal epithelium. Nucleus is present. Nucleus is present as like in squamous. It was in the center of the cells. Center. And the cells, as we said that it is epithelium, it is a basement membrane. So basement membrane is present on basement membrane. So it is lying on the connective tissue. Basement membrane is present in the connective tissue innermost layer. So on that basement layer we know the 2 parts, the basal lamina and the basal lamina. As we learnt earlier, basal lamina and reticular lamina or fibrous lamina. If you see this diagrammatic representation, this is a tissue. This is basement tissue, basement layer, and here the cells are cube-like shape. Height and width is same height or same length, same height and same length. So this is a connective tissue, it's lying on this. This is fibrous lamina, this is called cuboidal cells. Cuboidal cells, cube-shaped cells. Cube. So this is a nucleus, this is a cell membrane. This is a cube cells, a cell, cube cell, cuboidal cell, cube. This is nucleus, and this is basal lamina, and this is fibrous lamina, and this part we can call it as connective tissue. So the cells are cube in shape. So length and width is the same of the cells. So it is called cuboidal cells. It's lying upon the basement membrane. The many mitochondria are present inside this cytoplasm around the cell. There is a fluid is present in cytoplasm. The cytoplasm containing the large number of mitochondria. So therefore the more amount of the energy is producing during cellular respiration. So the nucleus is present. It is present in the center of the cell. And then basement membrane, as we said that. Now this is location. The location and the special, some of the special type of modification, special modifications. Some of the epithelium, some of these cuboidal epithelium having brush borders is called microvilli. So like this brush border epithelium, cuboidal epithelium. This is called the microvilli. So what are the free surface of this? The free surface of the cuboidal epithelium having brush border appears like a border brush-like structures, a finger-like projections, so we can call it as microvilli, which helps in the absorption. So absorption of the secretions. So this is what a special modification. So the modification of cuboidal epithelium, cuboidal cells. So this is a finger-like projections. So therefore we can call it as a brush border cuboidal epithelium. This we can call it as a brush border cuboidal epithelium. So brush border cuboidal epithelium. Alright. So now let us go on. The next one is the location. As we said that there are three things you need to remember that. So the location, so structure of a tissue and the location of the tissue and functions of the tissue. The location of this cuboidal epithelium, so where it is being found, it is present in the what, DCT, distal convoluted tubule, like in squamous epithelium. PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, like in the what, nephron, present in the nephron part. So it present in DCT. Present in what, PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, and also present in salivary ducts, salivary glands, the duct of salivary glands. Salivary glands, the duct of salivary glands. So ducts of salivary gland. Salivary gland, there are three types of gland. They are called the parotid gland, the sublingual gland and submaxillary gland. They have been connected with the ducts called Wharton ducts, Stenson ducts and Wilson. So the ducts of these salivary glands are also this containing this, and also present the what in testes and ovaries. Testes also present in the ovaries. Seminiferous tubules, seminal vessels, seminiferous tubules of the germinal epithelium and all this. So these are the what present location. So DCT, PCT, duct of salivary glands, and even it present the sweat glands. It present the sweat glands also, sweat glands. And also been found in this tissue, this cuboidal epithelial tissue, it has been found not only in the sweat glands, and also testes, ovaries, ducts of salivary glands, PCT and DCT of nephron, PCT and DCT of nephron. And another important point has also been found, the location is thyroid follicles, thyroid follicles. So thyroid follicular cells, or you can say thyroid follicles. So it is the location. So location of cuboidal epithelium, DCT, PCT, duct of salivary glands, testes, ovaries, sweat glands and thyroid follicles. Now let's see the what functions. So what way this cuboidal epithelium is it functions. So what are the functions? The functions of these functions. So cuboidal epithelium is mainly concerned with, as we said that earlier. Now let us see the what functions. It is meant for the secretion. So the secretion of what from the testes or in ovaries or the duct of salivary glands or else, okay, and excretion, removal of waste materials like nephron part like a DCT and PCT, distal convoluted tubule and proximal convoluted tubule, excretion. And other one is called absorption. So absorption, it absorbs what sweat gland secretes sweat, it will be absorbing, and thyroid gland secretes what thyroid follicular cells secretes what hormones. Like that action hormone is absorption. So secretion, excretion and absorption, these are the specific functions of this what we can call it as a tissue is cuboidal epithelium. I hope you understand that. So cuboidal epithelium, the cells are cube-like in shape and there are no intercellular spaces, and having nucleus, the nucleus is present in the center and present in the basement membrane, and then so more large number of mitochondria cell organelles are present, so therefore more amount of energy is releases. So it is length and width of the cells are same, and some specific special epithelium, the cuboidal epithelium is free end of the cells like a brush border like shape, that is called microvilli. So these are commonly called brush border cuboidal epithelium. So the location is as we said that DCT, PCT, it's ducts of salivary gland, testis and ovaries, red gland, thyroid follicles. And the function is mainly concerned with secretion, excretion and absorption. I hope you all understand this. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.